Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and I want to let you know about a class that we have coming to Century 21 Mike Bowman office on Thursday, February 22nd. This is going to be from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., so lunch will be provided as well too. $30 cost to attend in person, $35 via Zoom, and if you're licensed in the state of Texas, you're going to have the ability to earn a total of 3 hours of CE credit. And what we're going to be covering is video marketing for real estate and ChatGPT. So the video marketing session is going to be the first 2 hours. We're going to go in and cover every single question that you need to know and understand about how to use video for your real estate business. You're going to see tons of different techniques. You're going to see some benchmarks of other agents that have done an excellent job with video. You're going to get all of the questions answered so you can go next level with your video. Then we're going to go over ChatGPT for your business for the final hour. We're going to go in and show you all the great things, all the scary things, all the things that we need to understand about our business, quite honestly, about our livelihood, because AI is one of the biggest game changers that we have ever experienced at this moment in time. So we need to fully understand the true power of this and how it's going to affect our business, our business within real estate, our business just in general, our livelihoods. I mean, it's a huge, huge topic. So I will see you guys there for 3 hours very, very soon. Thanks. Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a 3-hour CE block that we have coming to Century 21 Mike Bowman's office, and this is going to be video marketing and chat GPT. It's going to occur on Thursday, February 22nd from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Lunch will be provided, and you have the ability to attend in person for 30 or attend via Zoom for 35. What you are going to learn in the first 2 hours is everything that you need to know to be successful with video marketing for real estate. Tons of techniques, tons of benchmarks where you can go and learn from them. Then we're going to go in for the last hour and talk about ChatGPT and how ChatGPT is not only affecting your real estate business, but businesses in general, civilization. I mean, it's a huge, huge topic. It's a game changer, one of the most important topics that we have ever encountered at this moment in time. And so we need to understand truly that the true power of it from a good point of view and from a scary point of view. There's a lot of good things and there's a lot of scary things. And we need to be fully aware of how this is going to be changing our business and affecting our clients. So I will see you guys on Thursday, February 22nd from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. And this is going to be at the Grapevine, Texas office for Century 21 Mike Bowman. See you then.